Hello, welcome to a short quick video on how to log into Learning.com using Clever. The first thing you will need to do is go to the Edinburgh CISD Resource Logins page. You will then navigate to the letter C and look for Clever. When you click on the Clever portal, you will see this window that will be requesting your username and password. Your username will be your student ID, and your password will be your date of birth. Your username, again, is your student ID number. And your password is, again, your date of birth. Always remember that if your birth month or day have only one digit, always remember to add a 0 to the front. Now you will need to press Log In. Once you have logged in, you will need to look for the tile that says Learning.com. Click on the tile and it will take you to your personalized portal. Once you're inside Learning.com, you will see your classes, and most importantly, you will see your name. Always make sure to see your name. That way you can be assured that you're in the right place. If you have any questions or problems with your username and password, please make sure to ask your teacher for help. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps.